Today I will show you how to duplicate clips on Final Cut Pro. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to load up the project that you want to duplicate the clip for. Now, the next thing I want you to do is understand that there are two ways of duplicating clips on Final Cut Pro. Now, the first way is to find the clip that you want to duplicate. Let's say we want to duplicate this clip right here. We have one, two, three clips. Now, for the clip that we want to duplicate, what we're going to do is we're going to select the clip and we're going to hold down the option button. And once you hold down the option button, you drag the clip that you want to duplicate and you realize the clip has been duplicated. You can do this multiple times. Anytime you click on it, you can also drag and you realize it's been duplicated. Now, the other way to duplicate a clip is to select the clip. You're going to come to edit, you're going to copy, and you're going to go to where you want to paste the clip. And then you're going to go to edit again and you're going to paste. Now you realize this clip has been also pasted here. And you can do the same thing. You can go to edit multiple times, copy, and then paste. And you realize it's been pasted again. Now that's how to duplicate clips on Final Cut Pro. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.